The best way to understand VBind is to imagine it as an electric socket. As you know, an electric socket makes a connection between two things. And we can say the main idea of VBind is to dynamically bind one or more attributes to our data property. So in this video, we will talk about class and style bindings. Let's start from this question, how to use VBind. In our example, simply type vbind : before the class attribute, or use shorthand : Now let's take common cases to understand how vbind works with classes. In this example, we can dynamically toggle classes by passing an object to the vbind class. The presence of the active class is determined by the truthness of its active data property. Also, we can bind multiple classes by using a class list as an array. As you can see, the name of the property determines the name of the class. So one of the benefits of using an array is that we can toggle a class in the list conditionally. You can do it with a ternary expression. And at the same time, if we have multiple conditional classes, we can use the object syntax inside the array syntax. Now let's jump to the style binding. As you know, we use inline style to apply a unique style to a single element. So with Vue.js, we can bind style attributes as a JavaScript object value, which corresponds to an HTML element style property. And as seen with classes, we can bind multiple style objects as an array. As you can see, the name of the property determines which object we will use. Also, we can toggle a style in the list conditionally. You can do it with a ternary expression. Finally, I hope this video was useful to you, and see you next time.